Hi, today I'll show you how to set up this great free streaming app for your Firestick or an Android TV. What's really great about this app is that it has a lot of content in 4K UHD, it has no ads at all, and it's also totally free and legal to use, without even a registration needed. And on top of that, it has a lot of historical content, true crime content, documentaries, original series, wildlife-related content, military or comedy shows. So firstly, let's take a look at how you can install this application. First of all, you'll have to get an app called Downloader. You can get it for free from the official Amazon App Store or from Google Play. Just go to search on your device and start typing Downloader right in the search bar. Here it is, already popped out for us at the bottom. Click on the app. And that's the application which we need to download and install. However, after you install the app, it's not over yet. We still have to set it up. To do so, we'll go to Settings, click on that gear icon in the right part of the screen, then scroll down until you see My Fire TV. Click on it, and here we'll have to enable developer options for your device. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new ones, developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, do not worry, it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and then you have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times, and do it fast. So let's do it. As you can see, now the button for me it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. In your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. And if you go back a bit, you'll finally see developer options which are going to appear right here. Open them. Make sure to enable ADB debugging. Then you gotta go to install unknown apps and turn that option on for the downloader. So what it does is going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily from the official Amazon App Store. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. Now, when you go to the list of applications on your device, you'll see the downloader, which will appear right here. However, before proceeding further, there's one more thing which I really recommend. It's of course connecting to a VPN. And in my opinion, the best option for that is NordVPN. They have a great app for Fire Sticks or any other device you may use, be it a laptop, mobile phone, your PC or anything else. They have an app for that. They have thousands of different servers and they're not expensive. And most importantly, if you use my link in the description below this video or in a pinned comment, you get 4 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is a great deal. I believe you always should use a VPN, especially if you're downloading something from the internet, especially via adult applications or any live TV players, because you never really know who the real developers of those apps are, what they're doing with your data, and of course you even shouldn't trust your ISP provider, because they might be tracking you as well and spying on you. So get NordVPN, use my link in the description of this video, get 4 months totally for free, and let's proceed with the video. After everything is set up and connected, let's open the Downloader, select Home on the left side menu, and then in that search bar we'll have to type code, which is going to be 28907. So once again the code is 28907 and then you press on Go. Then a website is going to open and we'll have to click on that magnifying glass in the right upper corner. We'll do so to open the search bar. It might take a couple of moments for the search bar to appear, or you may have to click a couple of times. Here it is. And here in that search bar, you'll have to type Magellan TV, just as you see on the screen. Make sure to enter the search request exactly as you see on the screen, and then just press on Next. And then search results are going to load. We'll have to scroll down a bit until you see Download Magellan TV page. Click on that View Page button. Then if any ad opens up for you here, make sure to click on Close, because if you click on Open, it's going to mess everything up for you. So click on Close, and a new web page is going to open, which you also have to scroll down. And you got to be scrolling until you see that Download button, Download for Fire TV or Android TV. Click on it, and now the download is going to start. Usually it doesn't take too long, but of course it all depends on your internet connection speed. In some cases the button might not work, so you can just press on the backup download link then, just below the button. If that button doesn't work as well, you can scroll down a bit more and you'll see a list of all the versions of the app, then just download some of the others. versions. Then click on Install in the right corner, and after the app is installed, press on the Done button. So we could delete the installation file because we don't need it anymore. Click on Delete and delete once again. Then when you go to the list of applications, the Magellan TV is going to appear right here. I suggest you to click on the Options button on your remote. It's the button with the 3 lines. Click on it and then press on Move to Front. What it's going to do is it's going to put your app first on the list. So anytime when you open your Firestick, it's going to be on the very front. So you won't have to go to the list of all the applications. It's going to be easier to access the app this way. Open the application. As you can see, there is no registration needed because the app is going to work just fine without any login or registration. And let's see what I got here on the app. Go to the left side menu. You can select genres or curated playlists. Let's start with genres. And the whole list has appeared on the left side. As you can see, it's space, true crime, ancient history, war and military, science and tech, biography, and a lot of different topics. So let's browse through them. Let's say you are interested in war and military. Click on the genre and it's going to show all the movies and all the content which is war and history related. Here's the Underground Army, the Other Goring, Her War, Her History, Last Flight of a Vulcan Bomber, Tomb of the USSR, and quite a lot of different movies on the war topic. Also, let's say you are interested in early modern. Let's open that. For example, here's the Chartres Cathedral, story of a masterpiece. As you can see, the movie is going to run in 4K, which is great. And to be honest, there's quite a lot of movies which are going to be in 4K, so you may put your Firestick 4K as well as your 4K TV to test. As you can see, each and every genre has tens and hundreds of movies, so you'll definitely have something to watch during those cold and long winter evenings. Aside from genres, you can also browse through curated playlists. Let's open up. So what's curated playlists? Basically, Magellan TV and its team selected some of the best content pieces in each genre and put them to curated playlists. So if you're looking for top rated movies and documentaries, they are going to be in those playlists. Let's say you want to watch some history movies. Let's open up. So there is Legends of D-Day and some movies on that topic. War in the Pacific with more content on that. World War II. There's also a playlist for naval warfare if you are interested in that. Then some documentaries on the heroes and villains of the ancient world, such as Caesar, Caligula, Pontius Pilate. Also, one more great playlist is the Dark Side, which contains a lot of true crime documentaries on different topics. And honestly, it's probably one of my favorite playlists on the Magellan TV application. So there's a lot of different content on this app, and of course it will be better if you just take a look for yourself and try out the app yourself. So let me know in the comments if you like the app, what was your favorite playlist or your favorite movie in the application, and see you next time as always. Bye bye.